This video compares interface boundary conditions AMI and NCC in TCAE 26.03. We are looking at a coarse mesh comparison, examining both head and efficiency time development. On the coarse mesh, the AMI greatly oscillates while NCC shows no spurious oscillations at all and only follows the blade passage frequency. Next, we transition to a medium mesh comparison. The graphs display the same simulation head and efficiency results for the medium mesh configuration. AMI gets better, NCC still the same. Finally, we consider the very fine interface mesh resolution. This view shows the high-resolution mesh setup at the interface and the corresponding simulation head and efficiency plots. AMI gets better still, and NCC shows the same consistent performance. It's clear that while AMI performance is greatly dependent on the interface mesh resolution, the NCC is independent on mesh and shows smooth and consistent performance on all meshes.